Agla, punta yata sa kapitbahay. Hi guys, Coach R here. May discover na naman tayo na golf training aid. This is the golf swing trainer. So, lagay ko na sa club ko. Supposed to help you find the right grip. So, paano ilagay? So, this is my mini driver. So, what you do, meron siyang arrow. If you can see this. Lagay nyo lang dito. Sundan nyo lang yung arrow ng club nyo. Usually may point yan or dot or konting line. This one has a arrow. Nalagay nyo lang doon sa medyo taas. Yan. Okay na siya. So this is the right grip for the club. So yung left hand nyo will follow the V. Nakaset na yan. And then itong thumb nyo, na right thumb, dito nyo ilalagay doon sa hole. So it sets you up for the perfect grip. Effective ba itong golf swing trainer? Tara, subukan natin. So after trying this golf swing trainer in practice using the golf mat, I can say that it helped me lock in my grip to have a more solid and powerful golf swing. 4. Try the product. It's linked below.